Something else I want to ask about too, that's kind of like a different use case. It struck me. So as a marketer, I hate to always like have like the marketing salesperson, but that is typically how I think of things. And whenever I see that you can build and sell something, that's generally my trigger for like, oh, lead generation. You could not sell it
Yes.
and instead just collect emails using it. So I'm wondering if
Well,
you have scenarios of companies that are building these tools, maybe even for non-marketing purposes. Like, for example, I'm helping an accounting software called Puzzle with content right now. And I could envision them creating like an accounting GPT where founders can just ask all their accounting questions. And instead of selling it, they just use that to build like an email list or something.
exactly. You are thinking the right way. I'll give you a similar example. And I think that's actually the way most people have used Chip is either embedded within other services or as lead gen. So on Chip, if you require login under the measure tab, you can see all the users and actually how often they're using it. And then that can hook into email marketing, right? So we can use Zapier to move those emails into CRM and to email and anything you want. And then the way that that manifests is like, I can give you a couple examples. There's see, we have a really interesting like financial retirement example.
Oh, cool.
Uh, and so this is where it's like, what they're essentially doing is having you ask questions about how much do I need to retire? And then at the end, it's saying like, if you need help, click here and contact us. So, so it's just kind of this back and forth again with the user estimating retirement, but along the way, it's getting key information for the company, right? So that they can actually like progressive form building essentially. And then when they talk to this person live, they have these details and they can already have a plan built. So it's a nice way to generate exactly like you're saying.
So let's do just kind of a quick step by step on that. So let's say I am watching this and I'm like, oh, I have a great idea for a GPT we can build for lead
Yeah.
generation. Let me give a bad example for reflect why lead growth for it and say it's like taking GPT. I don't think that would actually be a great concept, but so it's like, let's say I want to go build this now. What's sort of like, how do I go in and build it and Chippy and how do I connect it to like the emails? Like how do I build the actual flow using a tool for lead generation?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, let's just go in. It doesn't take too long to build, which is nice. So you just go into applications and click a new application, and then we can, we can name it. So we'll do like note taking bot, and we can say, take your notes here. And then we can brand it. The nice thing about Chip compared to, so if I had a logo, I would grab that. I don't know what any of this stuff is. So we'll just grab this. Nice thing about Chip compared to ChatGPT is that um, you can brand it yourself. And then if you're on the paid plan, you can also embed it on your own site, right? So you can have a custom domain, so it all lives like on your site and looks like you
Oh,
built it.
cool.
So then you would just, put in the instructions. So like, we're telling the AI, right? So you are a skilled note taker. Uh, Ask the user what they are thinking about, and then reformat into bullets for them. So this is obviously like a really quick example. Um, when done, ask if they want to visit chip.ai to sign up for pro version, right? So you could push them towards sale if you wanted to,
Yeah.
and then you can do conversation starters for them. Like, what's the first thing they're gonna say? So I want to take it, and then we can turn on any capability. So the user can upload files. So if they instead wanted to upload an entire document, right? They could generate images with Dolly. They could also take a picture on their phone of a note or of something, and then they can then talk to it that way.
Oh, that's
Um,
cool.
yeah. So then this is all here, and then now it's ready. So we can save it just for us, just for links or anyone on Chip where people can find it. So if I save anyone with a link, now it's live. And then I can either send someone the URL or I can embed it on my own website if I want to have it live on my site. Again, I can choose if I want to sell it or not. I can measure it. And then, if I am going to do custom domains, I can do that. So yeah, for now, I mean, we would just grab the link then, and now we have our note taking bot. Not too intense, but we click here, and now it's live for us to use already.
Wow.
Um,
So
so
this is a dumb
yeah,
question. Where does the email collection happen in this
yeah.
offer?
So the email collection only happens if you turn on sign up, right? So we would have to go down
Okay.
here and turn on user sign up,
Nice.
and I'll click save. And then once I do that, it's going to um, put up a email gate to use it, right? So I'll go up here and now I'm going to sign in to use the note taking app.
Okay.
And then once they sign up, that'll go into your, into your measure tab. And then right now you download that as a CSV. And then in about 3 or 4 weeks, we have the native integration with Zapier coming. So then you would
Oh,
just,
cool.
right now you could do this and just download everybody and take action. But then we'll do it dynamically in the next couple weeks. So yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. I think I like the lead generation example more because everything is so stale in lead generation. It's like,
Mhm.
here's a newsletter, download this sales PDF, like watch this video, here's a course. I have not seen anyone in the wild using custom GPTs for lead generation, and that to me feels like it's gonna work way better than the other stuff just because it's gonna
Right.
stand out. And it's actually like an interactive thing. It's not just passive content that you download. That seems really powerful.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen, we have an agency program and people are welcome to, join that. We kind of share examples, but, and it's just chip.ai/agencies. But that's probably the most powerful example is building GPTs that help your user, right? So it's not like the
Yeah.
GPT is the thing. It's more like, hey, my user is always doing financial projections. They could use my GPT for their internal workflow, and that is lead gen, right? Because I'm making their internal work faster. The biggest kind of learning we've had thus far is that companies are much more likely to integrate or use AI internally than externally, because there's a little fear still around how accurate is it, and are my customers actually going to dislike that I'm using AI and not want to pay me, right?
Oh,
So
that's interesting.
what I would focus on if you're trying to generate leads is build it for your users' internal use. So I'm going to help them write faster. I'm going to help them do projections. I'm going to help them do strategy rather than I'm going to build a bot that they would share with their customers. Cause it just seems like there's a bigger gap there where people aren't quite comfortable yet to do that, which is interesting.
Yes.